Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a 2023 SeaRay 350 SLX. Starting off at the back of the boat here, you can see this one does have the submersible swim platform right here. Drops down underwater automatically, the touch of a button. Also here, one of the things I do like about the 350s is they put these nice little cleats here. Great thing to tie down your water toys to, or your lily pad. You also have this nice stowaway seat here. This opens up. Both sides will flip out just like this. So now you have a nice seat at the back of the boat while you're out at anchor. Come on into the cockpit, let's take a look inside. As you come into the cockpit, you'll notice this model has the hard top with telescoping sunshade. And the wet bar area here with the canyon grill. Also a nice refrigerator down underneath here, and a trash can for the empties. Nice big cockpit here, plenty of places, put all your friends and family. Coming up to the helm here, you can see we got the Simrad glass dash, and then this one actually has the joystick option as well, 380 horsepower, 8.2 liter Mercs. As you come into the front of the boat, you'll notice that the head is actually tucked down underneath the helm. A nice little area. Some of the feedback we've been getting is we never use the head, so they tucked it away nicely underneath the helm. So it's usable still, but also doesn't take up a ton of space. Closes down, easily closes up. On this side, you can see they've made a nice sized cabin. You can get out of the sun right down here, or just put the little ones to hang out for a little bit. See, we have a nice center walk-through windshield on this, classic contemporary look. And we have a nice big open bow sitting up here. A lot of people can sit up here, and you got the fold-down armrest. Just kind of hang out, plenty of cup holders, and places to plug in your electronic devices. Once again, Captain Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2023 SeaRay 350 SLX. Thanks. Have a great day.